IRS Form 1099 DIV is the Dividends and Distributions Form. Corporations, mutual funds, and other investment vehicles send this form when they pay you $10 or more in dividends or distributions during the year. It is also sent if any federal income tax was withheld or if you received foreign tax credits. You use the information from Form 1099 DIV to complete Schedule B and, if applicable, Form 1116 for foreign tax credits. The Payer section identifies the financial institution, mutual fund company, or corporation paying the dividends. The payer's name, address, and federal identification number appear at the top. Your name, address, and taxpayer identification number appear as the recipient. If your investment account holds multiple securities that pay dividends, you typically receive one consolidated 1099 DIV covering all dividend-paying positions in that account. Box 1A shows total ordinary dividends, which are taxed at ordinary income rates. Box 1B shows qualified dividends, a subset of ordinary dividends that meet holding period requirements and are taxed at the lower long-term capital gains rates. Box 2A shows total capital gain distributions from mutual funds. Box 3 shows non-dividend distributions, which are a return of your investment and reduce your cost basis. Box 7 shows foreign tax paid, and Box 8 shows the foreign country the tax was paid to, which you can use to claim a foreign tax credit. Report total ordinary dividends from Box 1A on Schedule B, and then carry the total to Form 1040. Qualified dividends from Box 1B are included in ordinary dividends but taxed at lower rates. Capital gain distributions from Box 2A appear on Schedule D. If you paid foreign taxes shown in Box 7 and meet the eligibility requirements, you may take a credit on Form 1116 or deduct the amount on Schedule A. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.